Let us see the next question. Electraspace is a consumer electronics wholesaler. The business of the firm is highly seasonal in the nature. In the 6 months of a year, the firm has a huge cash deposit, and especially near Christmas time. And other 6 months, the firm has cash crunch, shortage, leading to borrowing of money to cover up its exposure for running the business. It is expected that the firm shall borrow a sum of euro 50 million. 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. So 50 million stands for 500 lakhs for the entire period of the slack season in about 3 months. A bank has given the following quotations. Spot rate is given to us. 3 into 6 FRA is given. 3 into 9 FRA is given. 3 months euro futures contract. Futures contract maturing in a period of 3 months is quoted at 94.15. That is, the rate of interest is 5.85%. You are required to decide A. How forward rate agreement shall be useful if the actual interest rate after 6 months turns out to be 4.5% and 6.5%. That is, in both the cases, what will be the cost? That is what we have to find. How 3 months futures contract shall be useful for the company if the interest rate turns out to be as mentioned in A above. That is the question. That is, in the B part of the question, they are provided about the futures contract. Everybody is requested to go through the question, please. Now friends, as far as the A part of the question is concerned, in that the question says that if at all the forward rate agreement is entered upon and actual rate of interest is this, in both the cases, what will be your effective cost? We know friends that over here, the language of the question says that the slack period is going to start after 3 months. And the slack period is going to be there for 6 months. It has been given that in the 6 months of the year, huge cash deposit, and the remaining 6 months, there is a cash crunch. So we understand that over here, the information which they have provided for the spot rate is irrelevant. The information of 3 into 6 is irrelevant, because after 3 months, for 3 months, like that they have provided. And 3 into 9 FRA is relevant. And in that case, again, the investment rate is relevant. We are having the cash crunch, so the borrowing rate is relevant. So we understand that the 5.94% is the rate of interest, which will be applicable to us, whether the rate of interest is 4.5 or it is 6.5. This is what we understand. So write down answer. In this question, comma, information is given that company wants to borrow for 6 months after 3 months. Full stop. So 3 into 9 months FRA is relevant. Full stop. As we have to borrow comma, rate of interest 5.94% is applicable. This is what we understand.